So, video two, as I have my coffee, I'm back to Indian coffee. What I realize is, and what I want to share is that, um, educating yourself or enhancing your knowledge or your acumen or your intelligence or your skills or your knowledge or your learning or whatever your expertise is in is very important because when you do that, you kind of feel a little more confident that what you were. So what I was doing probably in my last job many years back, now the market scenario would have changed and stuff. So there are two ways to this. Either I kind of become underconfident and I close myself down and I say, yeah, I think I don't know. I think I'm kind of not in this league anymore and stuff. And the other way is to kind of be a little sharper and smarter about it to basically enhance your skill set and your knowledge and stuff, right? So a good example is for children, youth, or even for entrepreneurs or people who are following me. My advice and my outlook on my approach towards stuff, because I've had bad experiences where people have actually kind of told me that now I'm going to get gyan or ab gyan milne wala hai. So they are like closed minds or complex people. They think that if a lady or a woman or a man is sharing their knowledge or information or is actually sharing what they feel about the product or the brand or a situation is gyan, right? So you see this happening on social media as well. Like when you tune into certain pages, people will in a very derogatory manner or in a mocking manner already they'll mention no gyan required, we know it all, right? So it's a pretty bad approach, and for people who want to constantly evolve or they want to graduate to different levels. And if you have to head a team or an organization, or you have to be sharing your mind at various places and stuff. I mean, if you're lucky enough to find someone or a mentor or a boss or someone who's counseling you and stuff, and doesn't take any reluctance in kind of including you in their stuff, because they think whatever little you know is also contributing, that's okay. But everybody is not that lucky, or you have to be self-conscious to work on your acumen, because the moment you leave that organization, you leave that boss, you leave the forum, you change your job, you start something else, you're not going to be comfortable with the idea of not knowing more, right? So an example is Thomas Edison, yeah, the scientist. Thomas Edison, when he was a child, he was actually sent a letter. uh, he was given a letter, sorry, he was given a letter, and this letter was passed on to his mom. So when he went back home, his mom said, Edison, you're too sharp, you're too intelligent, you're a genius, and I would not want you to be in school, because this is what your teachers feel and this is what other people